Hello guys, how are you today? And I hope everybody's fine. So this is weekend. We have come to Sunday, and weekend I normally use it to back text you know all my pays, the ones I took last week. To know it's good to journal. Journal your trade when you win, when you lost. So if you lose as well, you know the reason why you lost. Not only by winning as well. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly turn off my camera so that we'll quickly dive into the charts. So this is Saver. So Saver and God is literally doing the same thing. Okay, so I normally come to daily or weekly time frame, but we know that Saver is bullish all the way. The same with gold. So this structure, I already knew, you know, what Saver is doing, right? Because last 6 months, Saver did the same thing. Like Saver and God, they always repeat the same structure. So anytime you see this kind of retest on the daily time frame, meaning there must be a heavy pull, push up, right? So you can see that huge one there, all right? So you can see that big one here. So and when there is this retest, I already cut all this retest here. All right. So this correctional movement, so I cut all of them. So but you're gonna see properly on the 4 hour time frame. But let's quickly start from daily time frame. So the daily time frame, what I do in the chart is I mark my high and my low. All right. So this is my high and this is my low. Okay. So I mark out my trend line, okay, because to show that gold is bullish. Sorry, like this is saver, but both of them are doing the same thing. So I wanna use saver because saver show me more clearer picture of what the same chart pattern I have on 6 months ago. So the same thing, like exactly you know the same thing that happening. So what I do is that I come here and I mark out my high and low, higher high, higher low. Right, this is my higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low. All right, so you can see that saver make an equal low here. All right, so when you make an equal low here, I already know there's a market structure shift. All right, so I'm gonna bring this thing out so you guys can see properly what happened. Okay, so this is what Saver is doing. All right, so this pullback here started from Monday, all right, Monday last week all the way to Thursday. All right, so this is exactly where the what Saver was doing. So this is here, and I'm at my higher low is to show you higher high, higher low here, higher high, higher low, higher high, and this is lower low. All right. So Saver supposed to make a higher low here and make another higher high. So he couldn't make it, so he came here to make an equal low, so giving us a lower low. This is a market structure shift. So market is shifting the structure, but we're still on bullish. But it just this is a correctional movement for Saver. All right, so we're gonna keep it one side. So coming to 4 hour. All right. So on my 4 hour, so these are those correctional movements you can see there all the way down. All right. So all I do, I'm gonna remove this guy here. So all I do is that whenever there is you're gonna see properly in 1 hour. Okay. Usually there will be a stack of candles, coming up here. So there will be like a consolidation of stack of candle here. So I'm gonna mark it out here, and I mark it here. All right. So this is when saver was going correctional. So all I do is just I will take my you know first cell here first, you know second, and the third. All right. So this is always from my back texting. I always mark one, two, three. So sellers has finished. So I put my trend line here to know when the buyers has to come. So as soon as the buyers broke my descending trend line, so anything I'm looking for opportunity to buy. Buyers are coming in. So all I do, I go back to 4 hour. All right, so on 4 hour, you're gonna see here. So I took my short here. It's my short position. All right, I took this here. Yeah, okay, all the way down. Okay, and took another cell here. All right, okay. So I caught this thing. This thing happened like from Tuesday to Thursday. I caught all of them. All right. So that makes me, there's 100K profit challenge. I'm trading on funded nest, so which I passed it. So these are the things I caught, from, Saver and Gold as well to pass the challenge. All right, so I'm gonna clear this short position so to make my chart more clearer. All right. So all I do is just you know like to another clear vision. You can see just to go to line charts. All right. From the line chart also can give me a clearer picture of what I'm supposed to do. Okay. So on Friday, so coming on Thursday, Friday, I'm waiting for looking for opportunity to buy. Okay. So this is how I caught the opportunity to buy. I'm gonna pull back to candle. All right. So I was waiting for this opportunity. So I enter my buy on this retest. Okay. As soon as there's a retest here, all I do was a retest here, put my retest here, and I put my retest here. Okay. So this is where I took my long. I took the buy position here, and I cut all this by on Friday. Okay, so what we are doing is back testing. Okay, so I'm gonna show you as well this thing. I cram this structure. Okay, this is breakout structure with market shift. So this is higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So I cram this thing, I printed it out, and I pasted it on my billboard. Okay, so this is what gold and silver is doing. So this is that daily time frame. It makes a higher high, come here and make a lower low. All right, so this shows a change of market structure shift. All right, so I think it's gonna be this one, break of structure of the with change of character. So it comes here, you make a lower low. So these are on the 4 hour time frame. You're gonna see properly, cut the sell, cut the sell again. All right, so this is we're still on bullish, but the price is correcting himself. So we're gonna quickly go back to the daily time frame, so you're gonna see what I'm this is exactly what happened, what I just showed you just now. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. lower low. So this lower low shows me that the price have, there's a change of, character, but we're still bullish. So all I'm expecting for the market to come to our support zone here, our supply zone, make, sell here, come back here, sell here again. All right. So this is things, something you need to, cram anytime you see this, this pattern again, in the market, so you already know, what's gonna happen. So this is my here's my that's our supply zone. So anytime price come there, it sells. All right. So there's a supply zone. So you're gonna see properly on the 4 hour. So which is this? All right. So impulse move, correctional, impulse move, correctional, impulse move, correctional here, impulse move, correctional. All right. So this is what Silver is, did last week. All right. So I'm gonna remove this thing. I'm gonna hide it so you can see properly. Where's the hide? Okay. So I'm hiding it here. All right. So this is exactly what happened. I think I did it before here. Yeah, I did it before. Uh, okay. Anyway, I'm gonna do it again. All right. So this is your higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low, lower high, lower low. All right. So what I do is just to put my supply here. So anytime there's a, price comes here, it sells. I call this sales. All right. Okay, guys. Just to, share with you the back texting of Save and Gold. So most of both of them are doing the same thing, so that you can, as well. Anytime this opportunity comes in the market, so you already know, what to do next. Like if you're more comfortable with it, like, as soon as there's a big correctional move coming on the gold and silver, I was kind of, my psychology was stable because I've seen this pattern before. Yes, I've seen this opportunity last 6 months, and let's wait for the nice snapper entry, to catch it up. All right, guys. I'm gonna be making another video about, how to trade a gap. So that's gonna be. I don't want this video to be lengthy. So it's gonna be another video. All right, guys. Take care and, peace out. And don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Bye.